there, this is Deborah, and today I am making some Drunken Beer Soap. That's the name of it. I have the beer here. It's all been, I cooked the fizz out of it, so now I'm just going to put it in the crock pot. I'm actually making some crock pot beer soap. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this up and get it ready to go through the cooking process here. So with further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Boiling over there. You got to really watch it. Got to stay right there with it and watch it. It gets pretty hot there. You just kind of stir it down, and basically that heat cooks all the lye right out of it. So you can't see that, but it's about 200 and something degrees, so it's pretty hot. Okay, I'm going to be back later on down the line because this is kind of a little bit of process there. Alrighty there. Okay, I'm having a little technical trouble here today, but anyway, I went ahead and piped it, and as you can see, I already have the little cutesies on there, the little green cutesies, and I'll just show you what they are. I mean, I think these are so adorable. These are cute little melt and pour mugs that's on top. That represents the green there. I'm going to come back tomorrow to show you what it looks like when it's cut. Thank you. Okay, I'm back to show you the cut of the soap. As you can see, I've got some green there. I've got the beer mugs. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. I didn't quite line my little mugs up, so we're just going to have to play it by ear here. We're just going to have to figure out how I'm going to get that done, because I'm going to have to go ahead and put some little marks on my mold there so I can line them up better. I keep saying I'm going to do that, but I just haven't got around to it. I just kind of eyeballed it and thought, okay, I could put them here. And like I say, this is called the Drunken Soap. And I don't drink, but the way I'll put these little mugs up on this soap, you wouldn't have knew the difference. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure which person came up with that name, but it's pretty interesting. But it's okay. The Drunken Soap. So like I said, in a collaboration with a lot of other soap makers here on YouTube. And it's pretty exciting. This is a lot of fun. I think next time we have a collaboration like that, I'm just probably going to stick to cold process, because this was a little time consuming, and I lost some footage there, but overall, at least I can get the cut done here. I'm having to kind of line it up and like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'll figure it out as we go. So there you have it. My Drunken Beer Soap. It has beer in it, and it has a lot of other nice properties in it. And I've made beer soap before and it feels really good. This is actually done in a masculine fragrance, but it still smells really good. So this is more geared up towards the guys. It has some extra how you said leatherin properties in it, a little more castor than normal, a little more things to make it have a little more bubbles, so you could use this for shaving or even a shampoo soap, because basically it's kind of geared up that way too. Okay, that one's missing a top, but I did make some extra ones, so I'll just find a place to put them at. I'm not going to be stopped today. I'm going to get this done. Had a few setbacks, but you know what they say, you got to take lemons and make lemonade. And you just got to make lemonade. It's kind of a lemonade day for me here. But it's a good day. Any day you can move around and get things done, it's a good day. I really like this soap. It's cute. It's a little plain, but it's cute. It smells good. I mean, it has a masculine smell. I still haven't determined what it really smells like, but the fragrance oil is called Very Sexy. Very Sexy for Men's. So whether I keep that name Very Sexy, I'm not sure, because right now it is a Drunken Beer Soap. Very sexy smell. Oh, what fun we're having today. Oh boy. So anyway, yeah, like I said, I like it. Has a nice color on the bottom to it, sort of a natural color. I did put some titanium dioxide in it, but it's still kind of got that tannish look to it. And the beer that I used was a light beer, so it wouldn't be so dark, because I know if you use a darker beer, sometimes the soap is a little bit darker. So when it cures, I'm not sure if it's going to get darker, but even if it does, it's still really pretty. I like it. Sometimes simple is elegant. Okay, so this little guy needs a little mug on top, or it's probably going to be easier to put them on the side. That's more likely probably what I'm going to do here. Yep, so I melted some melt and pour, and I had some extra little mugs here. So I'm just going to move these things out the way here and make some room. Yep, make some room. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I already got it in my head. I'm going to put it on the side here, because this is a little hard to, I probably could put it on the top, but it really doesn't have enough soap, how you say, icing on top, soap dough. Well, it's not soap dough, but I don't have enough of the decoration on top to put it. So I think the side would be fine. And when these cure and I weigh them out, if they all don't weigh the same, you know, I'll go to plan B, basically sell them by the weight. So there'll be different prices, and some of them I'll just use for samples. So it's not a loss. If anything, it's a lot of fun here, because that's what I always have, is a lot of fun. Even though the camera and I don't always do good, I still have fun making products. I love making soap, but I like making a lot of things. My next video is probably going to be some bath bombs, get back to some things that's coming up. So I look forward to just making a lot of products as much as I can. so it's a little bit more easier on me when the market come up. Easter, Mother's Day, it's a lot of things going on, so you just have to stay busy. Okay, and there you have it. So I'm all right with this. The melt and pour dries pretty fast, so I really gotta re-stick that again. I think it's cute though. I mean, it's kind of small, so that'll make a nice little sample soap. Nice little present for some of my little friends or something. I don't know. I'm a giver. I like to give things, so who knows? That's really cute. Okay. Well, there you have it. Everything is locked in, locked down. This is my version of the Drunken Soap, and I'd like to thank all the collaborators and all those that invited me to be part of this awesome collaboration. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, you guys. I really, really appreciate that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now. Thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day. Bye now.